Welcome to the world of the Nokia NX 5G, a phone designed to keep up with your busy life. Whether you're traveling, managing family life, or need a phone that powers through your day, this device has you covered. First off, the 850 mAh battery. It delivers serious power, keeping you going for days. No more worrying about charging every few hours. Next, the 50 MP enhanced camera. Take stunning photos effortlessly, whether you're capturing a landscape or a family moment. Running clean Android 13 software, the experience is smooth and straightforward. No bloatware, just what you need. For those of you who are heavy users or always on the move, the Nokia NX 5G is the perfect travel companion. And with reverse charging, you can top up other devices on the go. If you're looking for a phone that keeps going, clicks amazing photos, and works seamlessly, the Nokia NX 5G is built for real life. Grab yours today and experience the future of mobile power.